All right, IB juniors, we're down the home stretch. Let's grind it out here and let's have some great dialogue, you and I, about the post World War I settlements and the impact that it had on the future. So you finished or should finish Paris 1919 today. It's an excellent documentary to set the stage based on Margaret Macmillan's book. So here's what we got for Tuesday, May 19th. First, complete the do now assignment. Second, complete the source based activity on pages 22 and 23. So we're going to be doing some things related to the test that you'll take next year and just some practice on using and analyzing documents. This is one of those activities. This particular activity comes from that source that some of you picked up from my house and some of you didn't. If you didn't, it is in the resources folder for this unit. Okay. It is related to the aims of the participants. It's related to the documentary you just watched. Okay, so that's the first thing. There's 6 questions. It's very little reading. It's less than a page, maybe a page and a half, something like that. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second, complete the German reaction assignment, and that's also due on Thursday, May 21st. Okay, that is based on a couple of things. One, making sure we understand the difference between what Wilson's 14-point plan was that the Germans agreed to the ceasefire based upon in November of 1918, and how that differed from the Treaty of Versailles signed in June of 1919. So because of those differences, there's reason to understand the way the Germans reacted. At the same time, there's reason to question the German reaction based upon the fact that when they had the opportunity to dictate peace, they did so in extremely harsh terms with the Russians at Brest-Litovsk. Just some things to consider as we work through that material. Okay, today at 11, we'll also have a video conference. So questions about Paris 1919 would be great. And that's all I got for you. All right. If you need any help, please ask.